Hey, Doc Martinez here. I just got to Andalusia Distillery. Been raining all the way out here. Been a fun little drive. First time here, pretty excited. I've had a few of their products before, and their cigar malt is different, and I like it. So coming out here to see what they have and to see also what I can possibly grab today. Well, let's go in there and see what they have. Texas, Texas, Texas rain. But there it is right behind me. Says it's open. Go on in. So let's see what's in there. All right, so I'm inside. It's actually really nice inside. I like it. Looks Western, kind of antique here. Got lots of good pours. It looks like a pretty good menu. They got a food truck or food outside as well, so you can actually eat here if you wanted to. So I decided to do a flight, try a few of the products, see what I like, pick up a bottle or two, and go from there. So let me show you what I'm going to be drinking. So there's a lot of options you can choose. You can see I just picked a few of them. So we got the triple distilled. The guy behind the bar helped me choose a few of these. So the triple distilled is one of their main ones. The bottom bond's a new one for them. The Palo Duro is something that's a little bit different. The Ambarana finished rum. I'm only getting that one. Look at that. Why am I getting that? Can you guess? And it's actually the one that right there. You can actually fill your own bottle. So that might be interesting for that one as well. And then Texas brandy, not a big brandy guy, but why not test it? And then their Striker, which is their main, main whiskey here, is in their pre-made old fashioned. They actually have a pre-made old fashioned bottle. So if this is any good, it might take a bottle of that home. I like to try the pre-made ones, and they said they made theirs with a lot more flavor on that. So let's go on for this. So I decided to start with the pre-made old fashioned because there's so much ice, and I don't want it to get too watered down. So let's taste this first. Yeah, very malty, but actually a pretty good old-fashioned. I like it. I like it. So I'm going to start off with their triple distilled, 100 proof alcohol. So light on the nose, very light in color. Ooh. Very malty. But has some good flavor to it. I do like it. Second taste on that was a lot better than that first one. Kind of opened up the palate. I think it's because maybe I went from that sweet old fashioned to that. I did drink a little bit of water in between, but all right, let's go on to the next one. So the next one I'm trying is their Bottle and Bond. They said it's pretty new for them, aged 4 years. Good. Look at that color. Very nice color in that. Nice dark color. Smells great. So let's go on for that one. Actually, I like that. 100 proof, lots of flavor. Hits the tongue, sticks on it. A little tannicky at the end, very citrusy. I like it. All right, next is the Palo Duro. So it's also 100 proof. The thing that's different about this is it's 100% Texas, which even the malt is coming from Texas. I think it's interesting. You don't get much malt in Texas, so it's going for that taste. Well, let's look at that nice dark color. Ooh, it's maltier than the other one. A little different for sure. Very malty, very malty. That Texas malt's kicking through for sure on that one. Might have to take a bottle of this from home just to kind of play with it more and see what else I can do with that. Would be fun to kind of just taste and see if I adapt to this taste. I'm working on some malts, so that's what we're working on. All right, next we're getting into their Texas brandy. That was completely different than a whiskey for sure. Very sweet. Actually, not too bad. I don't have much brandy in my life. Makes me think of that song. It's actually nice. Nice little palate. Nice on the palate. Sweetness. I can see why people would like that. That's actually not a bad pour. I like it. Yep. So I was going through them again. Tried the triple distilled. Tried the Bottle and Bond. Tried the Palo Duro. Their bottle and bond actually is pretty good. I like the way that hits my palate and all that. I'm probably not going to get that one though because I'm probably going to get the Palo Duro because it's 100% Texas. Being a Texas boy, want to represent. They also have the other bottle up there that was a one for the vets. So it's like Striker, but part of the proceeds go to that. So I'll probably pick up a bottle of that. And I did pick up. I have a cigar malt from here. I didn't try it on this one because I do like it. It's very different, and I'm gonna pick up a bottle of that as well. I'm debating if I'm gonna take one of these pre-made old fashions home. I think that'd be kind of fun. I like to try different old pre-made old fashions together, so might be something I do as well. All right, so now I'm gonna do the rum. This is the Amburana finished rum. This is the one that I was showing you in the barrel that you can actually do a barrel pickup or pour your own bottle. I say this one for last because one, not a big rum drinker. Two, it's Amburana, so I know that's gonna kill my palate. No, I mean you have a little bit of rum flavor in there. Amburana comes up pretty quickly, takes over the palate. So if you like that sweetness, the Amburana kind of sweetness, cinnamon, Amburana, it's a rum for you. It kicks in there, you taste it, and definitely taste it. It's good. A little bit too Amburana for me. Probably still pick up a bottle because, as I said, it's 122.2 proof. I might just have to pick up one just to share with you guys. Definitely gonna sit here, finish my little flight, enjoy them, pick up a few bottles, head home. So I recommend it. If you're ever in the area, come check it out. Good little place. Love the environment. Environment's fun. People are friendly. The person behind the bar took a lot of time to explain a lot of the whiskeys to me. Helped me choose a flight that he thought I would enjoy. So really enjoying that. I know it's kind of loud in here, so hopefully you guys can hear me okay. But guys, cheers to our next journey. Well, I decided to grab one more. Their Striker is their normal one, but it's finished in mesquite. I wanted to really try that. I had it in the old fashioned, but it's kind of hard to taste the whiskey in the old fashioned by itself. I mean, when it's mixed like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try. Well, the guy said like Texas barbecue. He's right. Tastes like Texas barbecue. Definitely taste that maltiness, taste that mesquite in there. It's actually interesting, very different. I like it. So, all right, just wanted to catch you up on that. Cheers. All right, so just walking out. I'm gonna be driving home, drank plenty of water, sat here for a while. So I'm gonna say my first visit to Andalusia was a success. Picked up some bottles, yep. So I enjoyed it, enjoyed the time, enjoyed the environment, enjoyed the drinks. The bartenders are nice, so good time, good time. I definitely will be back, and maybe we'll be back together sometime soon. So talk to you later. Cheers.